Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can send a Instagram one-time photo. Now for you to send a Instagram one-time photo, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up Instagram on your device. Once you open up Instagram, you'll be on this home page of Instagram. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the messages option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the messages option, now choose a person you want to send a one-time photo to. Now once you have chosen the person, go ahead and click on it and you will be on your chat box with that person. Now on this chat box, on the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see this camera option where you can choose a photo from your gallery. So for this video, I'm going to click a photo. So I will click on this camera option from the bottom left corner of my screen, and then once you do this, go ahead and click a picture, customize it to your liking. Now on the bottom left corner, you'll see this allow replay option. So if you send it as it is, the person will be able to replay it for 2 times. Now once you click on this option again, it will show keep in chat. That means the person will be able to see it until you delete it. And if you click on it again, it will show view once. This means that the person will only be able to see it once. Once you have selected this option, go ahead and click on send. Now, once the picture is sent, you can see the 1 second icon on the photo. That means that the person will able to just see it once. I hope this video helped you to send a one-time photo on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.